Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northern Johnson County, Illinois, southeastern Williamson County, Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lake of Egypt area, or 8 miles south of Marion, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Creel Springs in Lake of Egypt area around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Burnside and Stone Fort. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 40 and 49. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Johnson and Williamson. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern White County in southeastern Illinois, Wayne County in south-central Illinois, Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, eastern Franklin County in south-central Illinois, until 9 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Helm to 7 miles south of Woodlawn to Elkville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Frankfort, Benton, Fairfield, McLeansboro, Ziegler, Norris City, Wayne City, Shinn, Enfield, Thompsonville, Dahlgren, Jeffersonville, Orient, Hannaford, Freeman Spurs, Sims, Mill Shoals, Broughton, Springerton, and Mount Erie. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 62 and 71. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 92 and 120. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Hamilton, and White.